Hello student, good morning. Today we will start the new topic, that is general characters and classification of mammals. General characters and classification of mammals. The characters of the protheria, the characters of metatheria and characters of eutheria. General characters of eutheria. That is the first is the characters of the protheria. General characters of mammals. These are the primitive reptiles like oviparous or egg-laying mammals. These mammals are confined to Australian region only. Which mammals? That is the protherian, subclass protherian. They exemplified by platypus or duckbill and spiny anteater. Prototherian mammals are aquatic or terrestrial near the river sides. They are burrowing, nocturnal, insectivorous, four-limbed and oviparous. Body is converted by hair and spines. The snout is produced into a bill. The external ears are absent. Tail, if present, is adapted for aquatic mode of the life. The tarsal spur is present on each hind limbs, connected with poison glands. During breeding period, temporary mammary pouch is developed. The exoskeleton, such as horny hairs, spiny and beaks and claws, are present. Diaphragm divides the body cavity into thoracic and abdominal cavity. Exoskeleton includes the dicondylic skull. Orbits are continuous with the temporal foci. Pterygoids are present, whereas lacrimals and alisphenoids are absent. There are 3 ear ossicles bones present. Dentary is made up of single bone. The vertebral epiphysis is absent. 7 cervical vertebrae are without zygapophyse. Ribs are unicephalous and provided with only capitulum. Interclavicle is present, which is T-shaped like that of reptiles. Teeth are present in young one, but in adult replaced by horny beak used for breaking the shell of mollusca. Rectum opens into a cloaca. Pulmonary respiration takes place. Chambered heart, 4-chambered heart. Incomplete right auricles, ventricular valve, single left aortic arch remains. Kidneys are metanephric. Brain is small without corpus callosum. 4 optic lobes are present. Ureters opens into cloaca. Abdominal tests are present. Penis is used for passing out sperms, not urine. Ovary is reduced. Oviduct open in cloaca. Females are oviparous. Young one are immature, feed on milk in abdominal pouch. The protheria is this way. Denote peculiar combinations. of mammalian and reptilian characters. The brain, hair, warm, blood, heart, and diaphragm are of mammalian type, whereas the skeleton and egg-laying habits resembles the reptiles. Most of the characters show that they are in the intermediate stage between these two groups of animals. Platypus. Platypus is found in the rivers of Australia and Tasmania. It is well adapted for aquatic mode of life. Body is covered with soft fur and flattened tail. Eyes are small, rounded, provided with nictitating membrane. The external pinnae are absent. Toes are provided with claws and webbed. The web extends beyond the tips of claws. The upper jaw is modified into duck-like bill and is covered with sensitive, soft, hairless, rubbery skin. The bill is used for padding for the small aquatic animals, especially mussels and snails, on which it lives. In young platypus, flattened, ridged teeth are present. These true teeth are replaced by horny structures formed by an ingrowth of epidermis beneath them, used for breaking shells of the mollusk. Male platypus carries a sharp, stout, movable, hollow tarsal spur on its heel of each hind limbs. The poison glands is present connected with the spur. These spurs make the differentiation between male and female platypus. Spur serves to hold the female in the sexual embrace and are used in combat. The former make the burrows in the bank of rivers and constructs a nest of grass at the end of subterranean tunnel. Generally, 2 eggs are laid at a time. The female incubate the eggs and take care of eggs for about 2 weeks. As the mammary glands have no nipple, the young feed by lapping milk from the 2 milk grooves on the abdomen of the female. The platypus is highly modified for aquatic life. Apart from its bill, there are webbed feet, dorsal nostrils, long palate, short fur, thick tail, and perhaps absence of external ears. Spiny anteater echidna or spiny anteater occur in New Guinea and Australia. It is burrowing animal and make nest to assist in the protection of their young. Body is covered with hairs and small spines except on belly. The short limbs have broad feet bearing strong claws used to make burrows for the young as well as for digging up the nest on ants and termites. The snout is long, tubular, forms a slender beak with terminal rounded mouth. Teeth are absent. Tongue is long with large salivary glands, protrusible and sticky and used to sweep insects. The upper surface of tongue has horny serrations which grind against ridges on palate. External ear is very small, eyes are small, the tail is absent during breeding season. The female develops a temporary abdominal pouch into which one or two eggs are kept by female echidna for incubation. Egg cell is leathery. Immature young hatches from the egg. It is carried in pouch for some time and nourished on milk from mammary glands without nipple. Male echidna also possess mammary glands secreting milk to feed young. Male echidna also has in each hind leg carries a hollow tarsal spur connected to a poison glands in the thigh. There are 5 toes. The second claws of each hind limbs form a long and curved toilet claws to clean spines. This is the characters of the prototheria. Okay, thank you. Remaining part we will be continuing next lecture.